Hello children, today we are going to study the equations of straight lines. Okay, equation of straight lines will give the relationship between the y coordinate and the x coordinate of any point on the line. Now, there are different forms of equations of straight line. Out of that, we'll study the first form today, which is called as the gradient intercept form. So let us just draw a line here. I will draw the x and y axis and a straight line. So say this is the x axis here. Then this is the y axis. Let us draw the y axis here. Okay, so this is the y axis. And I'll draw a straight line in this xy plane. Let me draw a straight line in this xy plane. Okay, so this is a line in the plane. And let us derive the equation of this line in terms of the gradient and the y-intercept. Now, first of all, what do you mean by y-intercept? This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and the line is intersecting the y-axis at some point A. This is the origin here. So this OA, this is called as the y-intercept. So suppose the y-intercept is C here. So what are the coordinates of point A? Since it is on y-axis, x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate will be C. Now take any point P on this line. Say the coordinates of P are x and y. Now last time we have studied about the gradient. How do you define the gradient? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So m is equal to, take any point as x1, y1, other point as x2, y2. So what will you get? Y minus c upon x minus 0. So m is equal to y minus c upon x. Now I'll shuffle out these terms and make y a subject. So I'll get the equation y is equal to mx plus c. And this particular equation is called as the gradient intercept form, because in this equation m is the gradient and C is the y-intercept. So it gives the relationship between the y-coordinate and x-coordinate in terms of the gradient and y-intercept. Okay, so let us see some examples here. Suppose the equation of the line is y is equal to 3x plus 2. This is the equation of the line. So, if I compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus c, what is the value of m? M is 3. So, that is the gradient of the line. And c is equal to 2 here, which is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. Okay, take another example. Suppose the equation of the line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. Now, here the equation is in the form ax plus by is equal to c. To find out the gradient and y-intercept, it should be in which form? Y is equal to mx plus c. So, I'll try to make y a subject. So, 4y, I'll get 3x on the other side. So, 4y is equal to negative 3x plus 5, or y is equal to negative 3 upon 4x plus 5 upon 4, which means the gradient of the line, that is m, and that is negative 3 upon 4, and the y-intercept of the line, that is c, and that is 5 upon 4. So if the equation is in the form ax plus by is equal to c, first you should get it in the form y is equal to mx plus c to write the y-intercept and the gradient. Okay, so let us see the other problems on this. Now, take down this problem. Write the equation of a straight line having the gradient three and which passes through zero, negative 2. Okay, that means I can just sketch this line like this. This is the x-axis, this is the, I'm just making a rough sketch, this is the y-axis, and the straight line is passing like this. It is making a negative intercept. Now, Keep it in mind that here the line is passing through 0, minus 2. Now x coordinate is 0. That means surely this point is on y-axis. So indirectly the y-intercept is given to you. Okay. This is the y-intercept. So the gradient is 3 given to you. M is equal to 3. So can you tell me what will be the value of C? What is C? C is the y-intercept. So in this case, the y-intercept will be minus 2. C is equal to minus 2. So the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c, which is y is equal to 3x minus 2. Okay. So take down a similar problem here. Write the equation of a line which passes through 0, 7 and has gradient phi. So obviously tell me in this case, what is the y-intercept? Since the line is passing through 0, 7, that means it is intersecting the y-axis at 7. That means here C is equal to 7 and the gradient M is phi. So y is equal to phi x plus 7. That is the equation of the straight line. Okay with you? All the steps are okay? Okay, let us take one more problem here. Write the equation write the equation of a straight line having gradient five and which passes through a point 1, 1. Now here keep it in mind that the y-intercept is not given to you. Y-intercept is not given to you. Why? Because the point through which the line passes is 1, 1. It is not on y-axis. So in this case, what will you do? Now here the gradient is phi given to you. So first, write the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is phi, so y is equal to phi x plus c. Now, y is 1, x is 1, put it here. So 1 is equal to phi into 1 plus c. So 1 is equal to phi plus c. So C is equal to negative 4. 1 minus 5, that is negative 4. And put it in this equation back. So y is equal to 5x minus 4. That means this line has gradient 5 and the y-intercept is negative 4. Okay, take a similar problem here. Write the equation of a line having gradient -1 and which passes through 3, 0. Now, keep it in mind that 3, 0 means x-intercept is given to you, not y. So don't take this as the value of C. Okay, now gradient is -1, so m is equal to -1. So first write the equation y is equal to mx, that is -1x minus x plus c. Now here put y is equal to 0, x as 3, so minus 3 plus c, which means c is equal to 3. Put it back in this equation, which gives y is equal to -x plus 3. Or even you can write this equation as x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, children? Okay, so I will give you some problems to do for the homework. Okay, so let us take these problems for homework. The first one, write the value of the gradient and the y-intercept for the following lines. So first one, y is equal to 3x minus 1. Second, x plus y is equal to 5. Third, 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. And 4x minus 2y is equal to 15. And take the second problem. Write the equation of a line having gradient -5 and which passes through 3, 7. So try these problems yourself. In the next class, we'll discuss it. Okay, I'm not going to give you any answers here. You will try it yourself and then I will discuss these problems with you. Okay, so wish you are understanding these concepts. Enjoy the day. Bye, children.